Welcome back everyone, and today I will be sharing with you how I do my hotel bookings using Agoda. But before that, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified for my next videos. First, you'll need to make sure that you've downloaded the app on your phone. However, you can also use their website as an alternative. Sa homepage, you'll be able to see options for hotels, flights, rentals, and more. You'll also see membership status and featured hotels and destinations based din sa mga previous searches or bookings mo. Next tab shows yung mga na-favorite or na-like mong hotels and history ng mga viewed hotels as well. The next tab shows yung mga upcoming, completed, and canceled bookings mo. So, as you can see here, medyo marami na rin akong nabook using this app since ang first booking ko pa rito is way back in 2014. Next is messages, where you'll be able to contact the hotels. This is very useful, especially if may mga special requests ka or you're running late for check-in. Last tab is for your profile and settings. So here you can change the language and currency based on your preference. Now let's try booking for a trip to Tokyo. Select hotel and enter the place where you want to stay in. Next, select the dates when you will be staying there. So let's say we'll stay there for 5 days and 4 nights. Next, we'll also have to indicate how many will be traveling with us and how many rooms are we going to book. So what I do here is to change the filter first para mas madaling makahanap ng mga hotels based dun sa preference ko. To do this, just click on the upper left portion with the filter. Here you'll notice na nakaset lang sa akin sa lowest price first. Then, if you scroll down, mas marami pa kayong pwedeng i-filter, just like neighborhoods, property types, and more. For me, I always filter the payment options. I select the book now and pay later, as well as the free cancellation. Sometimes I also choose the book without a credit card option. Naka-display na ngayon yung mga filtered results based dun sa selected payment options natin. Nakalista din siya from the lowest price hotels, which is my preference for listing. Here you'll see na na-highlight yung ibang details since nag-match siya dun sa finilter nating options. Meron din preview dito ng reviews and ratings nila. In addition, nakalagay na rin kung saan sa Tokyo makikita yung hotel na to. Alright, dahil tayo ay budgetarian, dun tayo sa unang selection, which is the lowest price from the listing. The hotel page shows yung overview ng hotel, which includes yung map, yung photos, reviews and ratings, facilities, as well as yung mga nearby attractions dito. Just click on See Available Rooms to see yung room availability on the dates we selected. Here we see that it is actually a dorm type room, so meron kang magiging ka-share. So yung notice na meron mga exclamation mark dito sa page na to, make sure to read them all. First is about the free cancellation. So if you needed to cancel, make sure to do it before the date indicated here. Next is just about the confirmation na your payment will be collected at the property. Next is about taxes and fees. So this one varies depending kung nasan ba located yung hotel. You can also double check the photos of the establishment before you book. When you're ready, just select Pay at the hotel at the bottom part of the screen. So yung booking page, it shows yung inclusive dates of stay, free cancellation information, and the total cost of accommodation. You can also make special requests here, but they're not guaranteed, so it depends on the hotels. Next is the payment details. If you choose to pay at the property, you will still need to fill this up. Hindi naman nila kayo sisingilin agad, but I think it's just part of added security. For me, I use my payroll ATM here instead of a credit card, and wala namang nabawas sa akin. Here you'll see the booking details, which includes the reference number and booking ID. Nandito na rin yung breakdown ng mga fees. You can also check this dun sa booking tab under the upcoming category. Again, all the details are displayed here so you can double check it. They also send a confirmation to your email, so may copy ka pa rin nun. Next, I'll show you how to cancel a booking. Do this only if you really need to, and make sure na within the free cancellation period kayo mag-cancel. On the booking conditions, select Cancel Booking. Then, choose the most appropriate reason. After confirming, your booking is now cancelled. They will also send it to your email para may confirmation. You can also double check this on your booking tab under the cancellations list. So, dapat nakalista na doon yung cancelled booking mo. And that's it, guys. So, very easy lang siya, diba? Transparent din yung website dun sa mga fees, so madali mo makikita kung ano ba yung mga china-charge nila sa'yo. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe for more of my travel and Japan-related videos.